Roger, we'll go.
All right. Right now, the video is... I have a video rendering right now. By the way, I got the screen capture running. There's a video, 4K video rendering right now at 60 frames per second at 4K. Thetis and my screen capture software, my computer's up to 24%. So it's doing a lot right now. So, anyhow, all right, so let's try this again. Come on back, tell me what you're talking on. We understand that you're getting a little bit of the some kind of, it's not a heterodyne, something in the audio is causing that low frequency hum in there. I realize that, but come on back and then do some talking and you can hear how you sound. And then as we're talking too, I'll adjust my bandpass on my receive filters. Right now it's a 9kc on either side of the carrier, so 18k total occupied frequency bandwidth. Come on back to Shutter. Give me some jibber jab.
Okay, I'll give you some jibber jab. This is a Direct Injected Cobra 29 LTD Classic, and I am running a Audio Technica Pro 63. Pretty good mic. It's been a good microphone to me. Right now I'm barely running 300 peak through a midnight special 700 all mixed max transistors in my rack gear, and I'm trying to get on down.
Okay, yeah, that sound goes away when you're not talking. As soon as you start to talk, it creeps in there. But yeah, you'll see it. Okay, for that go around, I toggle between 10kc on either side of the carrier and 18k. So it'd be not, that would be 9kc on either side of the carrier, 18k total occupied frequency bandwidth. I'll continue talking here, and then I'll narrow it down to the standard CB. On my receive, it'll say 10k, which means 5kc on either side of the carrier. And then you can hear how you sound on standard CB bandwidth, 5kc. Come on back there, Shiner.
Yeah, it's always, like I said before, it's good to know you got someone out there that knows what they're doing with this stuff. Yeah, I'm anxious to hear it, but I'm just glad to get off at 2950, man. Once you go this kind of audio, it's hard. It's really hard to go back to regular CB audio. 10-4?
Roger that. I'm losing my voice again. All right, I think you're about like, I didn't look at the screen. You'll see it on the replay. The radio's off frequency, low a little bit. I think I'll have to wait to key up again. I think it was like 700 cycles off. There's no big deal. On AM, you'll never notice that. On sideband, it would be extremely noticeable. Just letting you know that. But no harm, no foul. Like I said, on AM, it's not that big a deal. But nice, man. All right, let's do my noise reduction 2. I'm going to open my receive filter up to both 20K and 18K. I'm going to get the noise reduction 2 on so you can hear it nice and clear. And also, when you get that new microphone, you have something to compare it to. Come on back and give me some jibber jabber.
Okay. I'll give you some jibber jabber. How about some jibber jabber? I'm running out of stuff to say. My stomach's taking over, so why don't you try to recreate that video? I'll check it out first thing when I come down and warm the car up on my PC, because I'm wildering away and I got one eye open, one eye closed. 773 Dirty White Boy, Moonshiner, Pennsylvania, and I'm off the key.
Okay, wow, this noise reduction 2 is just amazing. Thetis and guys who work on this stuff just blow my mind, man. You hear how good this noise reduction 2 works. I mean, all noise and everything pretty much disappears. It's only you. Now, when you watch this too, when I had it open to 10kc on the other side of the carrier, somebody was talking on 28. You get a little bit of that, bumping into there. So I had to narrow it down to 18k. But it sounded crystal clean. All I was going to do is find out where that low frequency hum is coming from, and I'll show you how to tighten it up. So it's real tight on the band there, but we'll get to there. But first things first, find out where that hum is coming from, and it's. I'd say you're back, buddy. You got the rack gear down in, that's for sure.
It takes a long way to go, and I was trying. Never mind, that's the wrong song. But yeah, I'm glad. I'm happy. So, like I said, I get everything back used to using this audio. I'll be okay. See, sometimes if I come to this side of the microphone, it's not as bad. But when I come over on this side, it gets real bad. But I ain't worried about it tonight. I'll tell you why. 'Cause I was hungry.
Oh man. Okay. So wait, we tried this recording once before. I can't remember what I asked you, what you explained. So wait, what microphone is this now? What microphone do you have coming? Just so we know for the good folks of YouTube.
Hold on. It's called a toner, TONOR, TD510, dynamic microphone.
And that's the one you have coming tomorrow, correct?
Yeah, hopefully it'll be here tomorrow.
Okay, and the microphone you're talking on now, I can never remember the model number on it. So what is it? It's Audio Technica what?
Pro 63.
Okay. All right. Got that. Yeah, they don't make that microphone anymore. I remember the first time I checked that out, I knew how much it used to cost. Not normally the cheaper the microphone, it gets pretty low on audio quality, but that microphone blew me away. But it just goes to show you don't necessarily have to spend big bucks on a microphone to sound good. But all right, yeah, because I start recording now, and then it'll always be here. And don't touch anything on the rack here. Don't change a thing. And next time we get on here, you can hear the differences between the two.
Okay. Let me move this up. Okay, let me push this button. What's this sound like right there?
Still sounds good. You can be the judge when you listen to this. Hold on for a second. I'm going to turn my screen or my video editing software off here. Hold on.
(10-4). If I position myself right, and it only picks up certain notes, so it's definitely in I think it's an equalizer maybe. I'll figure it out, but I ain't worried about it right now, as long as I'm out there and not sounding like that gate I just posted a comment to.
No, you're sounding good. You're real good. Big step forward there. Little baby steps. You get figured out, but yeah, I'd say you're back, definitely. And this time during this gate, I'm on my computer fans. I have a remote control for it. I get with the fans and lights and everything. I make sure I turn the fan down one notch so you don't hear it in the background. At least I don't think you can hear it in the background. If I turn it up, one click up all the way, that fan noise, even though I have the gate set pretty tight, when I talk, it breaks the gate open. You can hear the fan in the background, but I have it turned down one notch, so hopefully when I listen to this recording here, I don't hear it in there. Gen 4?
410. Alright. I'm starting to shrivel away there.
Alright, get out. Get something to eat. What time is it getting to be? It is 7:18 here in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, East Coast time. All right, there, Shiner. I'll talk to you later. Go ahead and sign off, and you can have the last word on this video gig. KP68, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, free and clear. Go ahead and end it there, Shiner.
I appreciate that from my brother from another, old KP68. I appreciate you letting me go. We hit the dumpsters up on the way home. We got some fresh donuts that was baked last week, and I'm going to go eat. Old 773 dirty white boy, Moonshiner, working this beat down rag gear. And I'm gone!